kind of like wheel brush. I got one of those before. Oh, sometimes you can get. They have also like a plastic ones. You can get those I use every once in a while. It depends on what kind of job I'm looking. But I usually just starting to use that one more often.
I don't know if you can see in there. Can you see that screw? The Phillips head in there? Okay. So and whatever that thing is, which there's a big one, and I don't know if I guess you can make a bigger one, but you need a big enough washer that's this to put on there.
It's just a bolt through with a washer and a nut. I have like a Phillips tip going through, and then everything just gathers together. I just want like a piece of PVC or something that I can attach to it, and you can literally make this tool for like probably like $10 or less. Right, it's like the ultra fine. We'll use this red one. This one is like pretty. It's one of the heavy duty Scotch-Brite type ones. Your number, it's like the part number is 07447. And then we use this other gray one that we combine both, which is the other one that I have attached. It's the same thing, Scotch-Brite, but that's the part number 07448. So I just like the Scotch-Brite better. I can use it for like all the type of materials and everything. It just kind of takes all the gunk out. It's a lot easier instead of like switching to an aluminum brush or anything harder. This just seems to not like rip anything apart. It's just more easy to take all the materials and the gunks out of the headliners.